Mastering English, Navigating Indirect Requests and Offers. Hello there! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on a topic that's truly essential in daily conversation: making indirect requests and offers. In particular, we're going to explore the phrase, "I could use some help." It's a handy phrase that you'll find useful in various conversational settings, and mastering its usage can add a layer of subtlety to your English speaking skills. So, what does it mean when someone says, "I could use some help"? In English, this is an indirect way of asking for assistance. Instead of outright saying, "Can you help me?" or "I need your help," this phrase is softer, more polite and less intrusive. Here's an example. Imagine you're at work, struggling with a complex task. Instead of asking your coworker directly for help, you might say, "I could use some help with this task." It gives your coworker an opportunity to offer assistance without feeling pressured or obliged. Great! Now that we understand the meaning of "I could use some help," let's look at some variations. You can easily modify the phrase to suit different contexts. For instance, if you're trying to carry a heavy box, you could say, "I could use a hand with this." Or if you're deciding on what to order at a restaurant, you could say, "I could use some advice." The basic structure of the phrase remains the same, while the specifics change based on your needs. So, you've now learned how to make an indirect request for help. But what if someone else uses this phrase? How should you respond? Let's find out. If someone says, "I could use some help," and you're able to assist, you could say, "Sure, I'd be happy to help." If you're unable to assist, you might respond with, "I'm sorry, I'm a bit tied up right now." Remember, it's all about maintaining the same level of politeness and indirectness in your response. And that's it for today's lesson on making and responding to indirect requests and offers in English using the phrase, "I could use some help." We hope you found this useful and are ready to incorporate this phrase into your everyday conversation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these phrases in your English conversations. We'll see you in the next video.